And there is growing evidence that you can suffer from the effects of COVID-19 for weeks or months after getting sick.
Yeah, those patients are known as COVID long haulers. News 8's David Williams sheds light on a new study here at home that focuses on people who are still dealing with symptoms.
Diana Barron survived COVID-19 back in March. Months later, she's still dealing with some lingering symptoms.
4.5 months later, I'm having still major gastro issues. My sleep is really messed up.
She's not alone. Across the nation, COVID survivors have reported prolonged illness after their diagnosis, dubbed COVID long haulers.
We're not talking about people who are hospitalized. These are young, healthy people who are marathon runners in their 20s, and they're on day 120, and they still can't climb a flight of stairs. They're writing their living wills in their 20s. They are afraid that they are not going to see their wedding dates.
IU School of Medicine recently surveyed more than 1,500 people who said they suffer from long-term COVID symptoms for weeks or months. The survey report notes 98 different COVID symptoms, including difficulty concentrating, joint pain, and extreme hair loss.
Everyone can experience it quite differently, but just put this in perspective, the most senior long haulers are people who contracted the disease in February or even January, and they're still not well. So we don't know the bottom end of this yet.
The CDC says COVID-19 recovery can take a long time, even in young adults with no chronic illnesses. In fact, the CDC states 1 in 5 previously healthy young adults weren't back to usual health 14 to 21 days after testing positive. Dr. Lambert says some COVID survivors feel unheard or scared.
But other times they go to the doctor and the doctor says, I think you're just having anxiety. I don't think this is COVID related. So what it really shows is that we need much more research. And we also, like the results of our study, we need to let physicians know that this is very real and that people need help.
Barron leads a group of thousands of COVID survivors called Survivor Corps. They support scientific, medical, and academic COVID research to find a cure. Barron worked with Dr. Lambert on the survey. Barron encourages COVID survivors to donate plasma.
Because inside the arm of every COVID-19 survivor are the antibodies that will lead us to a cure.
Dr. Lambert tells me there are several other COVID-19 research projects happening now here at the IU School of Medicine, as well as IU Health. In downtown Indianapolis, I'm David Williams. Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.